We said Dewey betrayed
So
her.
I'm not ungrateful. It lasts 1 year and 6 blood clot months. March God make 1 year since married. May you be together 1 year and 7 months. So my point is, see me and come live with me are two different things. Don't pitch plenty of blood clot picture like on want make me feel like me is a witch. When me wicked are awful, me wicked are awful.
Entertainment Spot Jamaica hit give you the baddest news and reviews.
Is there?
Wagwan people, welcome back to Entertainment Spot Jamaica. So Queenie speaks out against Dewey. Basically Queenie say yo, Dewey baby mother and mother I tell him to do things basically them are running head and a long time them there together. Is there me I say and Dewey how me see Queenie treat Dewey. Jano would have wicked to see Dewey the Queenie like that. Me can see how in her voice she stressed out, see I feel pain and she really truly in love Dewey to a point where she can't do without him, but I know more and them make it up back still now because I don't like to see Queenie a ball and I not tell like a Queenie make Dewey reach a England no people because Queenie say yo Dewey mother there are foreign and would over file for Dewey. So right now, as me say, I have the full live, I have to make you see the live. Tell me your honest opinion in the comment section. As me say, I don't like see when Queenie a ball because Queenie a real woman, is what I say. Understand a relationship have its ups and downs, but you don't know say how they must can build back and is what I say do the right thing because a lot of people happy to see when the two of them together is what I say that make a lot of people smile. So right now check out the full live, tell me your honest opinion in the comment section. Also share the video to a friend, make them see what go on.
I'm not ungrateful. It lasts 1 year and 6 blood clot months. March God make 1 year since married. May you be together 1 year and 7 months. So my point is, see me and come live with me are two different things. Don't pitch plenty of blood clot picture like on want make me feel like me is a witch. When me wicked are awful, me wicked are awful. I said to you, do it. Don't make no plans with your baby mother, and don't include me. Because if you include me, I go feel, whatever, I go feel paranoid if you don't include me. Don't make no decision, and me make you the ear, so. Because me not go call no immigration, because that not in my spirit. Me ignorant and that, but me still want you to make best out of life. I reason with you. Where you feel for blood clot, ignore me. And walk out, gone, vex. Some of us blood clot. And yes, me look with the blood clot, something and bust your forehead. You choose never to retaliate. Me not abuse you, you're a blood clot, man. You abuse me every blood clot there silently. Yeah. When me you're nice and loving, I say, do it no. This is not right. Me a powerful woman, so I constantly I try and I speak to you, blood clot, and I'm trying to say I'm frightened for you. I'm a mad over you, I'm a crazy over you. Well, the same blood clot one crazy over you. Can't turn against blood clot you. You see a man blood clot facing the same heart. Your best friend can become the worst enemy. I said, do it. Don't make me go on Instagram, go disgrace my blood clot self and disgrace you because you not relate back to me. You have to communicate with me. But you choose not to. You find, if one of your brethren call you, your voice tone change. I hear them a talk loud. And when me a talk to you, see you, me not take blood clot that. Me not live in a blood clot that. Me not use no shame faith and shit, no cockabee and me sexy and nice and beautiful. You clean it. Inside blood clot out. And now blackmail me mentally, sarcastically. You know, blackmail me physically. Me not take blood clot blackmail from me little and I watch movie. Always say, me never go sit down. Me can't do it. If me go stiff stone blood clot dead in a this. Cause my brain's going to think I'm bust and blood clot bust my blood vein. Me not act. Me not pretend. Not for we ladies. We suffer by the fucking minute. In our emotions. We try. And I'm always turn against it to make we feel guilty. When I demand them always a blood clot, do all of the things. They put with heart, blood clot, soul and body hole in a man. Everyone that with blood clot, woman do it. Because women are very calculated. And the calculated or calculated, do it. You not do me no blood clot favor because you never stand by me. So you say, all the rest of stand where you stand by blood clot me. Them they not play for now. It is now our blood clot, never. Not for say, well, 3 the dead for me 1 year and 7 months ago. You name yesterday, you have to name today. You wake yesterday, you have to wake today. And you take it 1 day at a time. So me I deal with now. I don't like the way I feel. I don't like how your mother resent me. I don't like how your mother don't even remember some have a dead blood clot child and me there I kill up myself for your mother first child, which is you. And she turn against blood clot me. Me run God Jamaica to that son of yours to comfort me when my firstborn died. Sick. And God give me 1 day to come back here. Me not look for nobody pity me. And me not look for no sorry for me. But me expect you to consider me. There's a difference. When me see sending posts to YouTube for help obstruct me and do a live. Oh, nobody no want Queenie from long time. Nothing from Queenie. None of do it family them. We no want nothing from Queenie. Queenie have doing and treat him like boy cause she tell him for wash plate. It up on the YouTube. Dewey left Queenie long time in her mind. And it goes on and I sit there and I lie down in this bed and I listen and I smile. I said, Dewey, that is coming from your side of people. He said, no. I said, Dewey, be reasonable, no matter how cantankerous me is. Somebody I go write and say, and a little try with Dewey. That's Dewey's mom words. Nobody else now write talk, say, and a little try, unless I the baby mother. You understand? The day when me in the kitchen and the mother up on the phone with him, and I said, do you say you like for wash plate? Because do always wash plate them. He said to me, never tell me that. I said, what you mean by you not tell me that? Not knowing the mother up on the phone or however it fucking go. But my point is, when me hear that back on the internet about the plate, me say, plate? Plate? If I'm a complain, I say me for buy me a mansion and me for buy my yacht. Uno can say, plate? So my sister now fight my relationship because that's fucking petty. It's not a 2-year-old baby where me I tell wash plate. That me hear about that on the internet. But because I'm frightened for marriage, I'm a respect marriage, I'm a love marriage, I'm in a marriage for blood clot, dolly, house. I stand my grounds. Understand where I stand my grounds? I observe. No, this man's team where my let off on blood clot, man, that him did give me. You understand me? So no matter how miserable and cantankerous me is, me give a chance, I'm a wait. Me kiss out your blood clot ass in this. You say me say not talk to me, me say do it. Where you leave me for do? For call people, for people give me anything you want to do, you know crazy. Anything you want to do. Do you don't care about me? One time you know answer. Do you not care about me? The third time you barely blood clot answer me. So me a blood clot fool. So sit down and protect your blood clot feelings. I upset my one. The whole of blood clot we are upset. It's like how I wake up if you didn't have my bed, I wouldn't take blood clot live. Me give you respect. Me treat you like a fucking husband. Sometimes I ask if you want something the way you bite off my blood clot neck. You don't think me I do your arm. I say, baby, men are the enemy, you know. Speak to your wife properly. Your aggressiveness. Because them attach you little mind and you're confused. You have one son, one baby mother, one mother. Fuck the one blood clot dirty wife. And that my reason to fuck me. Because you know feel like say my blood clot exists. But are you walk with blood clot me to the pastor? Are you ask me for married to me? Are you never ask me for married to you for come a blood clot England? Because you never know if it keep up for your blood clot reach England like myself, yeah. And that's the God Almighty truth. So if you're going to be small mind and undermine all of what me your bill, for chat blood clot shit and I give me cold blood clot, so I'm going to be back cold to you.